Alright, gonna try to do this real quick. Essentially, this stainless line was ripped off. This valve, it is broken. And underneath here. Alright, real quick summary. Use pipe wrench to hold the pipe fitting. Use the channel lines to go ahead and turn the valve. Took the valve off. Now I'm gonna re-Teflon tape and put the new valve on. Alright, there we go. Water line's all hooked up. I have Teflon tape here, here, and here. Valve is open. Toilet just now filled up. We got water in the toilet. Not really sure why it's that color, but that's a different story. But anyway, there we go. All is well. No leaks. Everything is dry. Thank goodness. This is all dry. This is dry. All right, we're good to go. All right, hopefully this helps someone out. Oh, and by the way, just for whoever else's information, this is standard. This is 7/8 by 3/8, and then on top of that, this is actually a black iron valve, which is this one right here. Or an iron pipe valve, and the reason why I point that out is because I'm having to use an iron pipe valve on this PVC pipe here. So very important to know, because over there at Lowe's it doesn't exist. So luckily this line actually had the pipe coming out, has this fitting. This is threaded, male threaded, and it's female threaded on the valve itself, which for reference is this exact valve. So this is important just because this was all done years ago before PEX pipe or copper lines installed. So this is how it was installed, and this is how I'm adapting to that material. So hopefully this helps someone out. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and leave in the comments below if you have questions and I'm able to answer it, I'll go ahead and answer it. All right, thank you again.